Hello and welcome to Echo English. In today's video, we are going to explore something that is changing the way we live, work, and think: artificial intelligence, or AI. Have you ever talked to Siri or Alexa? Have you ever used Google Maps to avoid traffic? Have you ever seen a robot do something that feels human? If you answered yes, then congratulations. You've already used AI. But AI is more than just voice assistants and smart maps. It's a growing technology that is becoming a bigger part of our lives every single day. Let's dive in. First, let's answer a simple question. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine or computer to learn, think, and make decisions, almost like a human. AI systems are designed to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, or making decisions. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI, which is good at doing one specific task, like translating language or recommending movies; general AI, which would be able to think and learn like a human across many tasks. Right now, most of the AI we use is narrow AI, but it's getting more advanced every year. So, how does AI actually work? At the heart of AI is something called data. Artificial intelligence systems learn from large amounts of information. They look for patterns and use those patterns to make predictions. Let's take an example. When you type something into Google, the AI learns what you're searching for based on what millions of other people have searched for. The more data AI has, the more accurate it becomes. There are different methods that help AI learn. Machine learning: the AI gets better over time by practicing. Deep learning: a more advanced method using brain-like structures called neural networks. These allow AI to understand speech, recognize faces, and even create new things, like images or music. Now let's look at how AI is used in your daily life. You may not notice it, but AI is all around you. When you watch videos on TikTok or YouTube, AI decides what video to show you next. When you shop online, AI recommends products based on your behavior. When you talk to a chatbot on a website, that's AI too. In transportation, AI helps self-driving cars know when to stop or turn. In healthcare, AI helps doctors find cancer in medical images earlier than ever before. In education, AI tools can help students with homework or even act as personal tutors. In finance, banks use AI to detect fraud and help you manage your spending. AI is helping in almost every field, from farming to filmmaking. Let's talk about the benefits of AI. 1. Speed. AI can process information much faster than humans. 2. Accuracy. It can make fewer mistakes when trained properly. 3. 24/7. Availability. AI doesn't need to eat, sleep, or take breaks. 4. Automation. It can do boring or dangerous jobs that humans don't want to do. 5. Personalization. AI can tailor content just for you, your favorite music, news, or clothes. These advantages are why AI is growing so quickly. But with all these benefits, AI also brings challenges and risks. Job loss. Some jobs might disappear as machines do more work. Bias. If AI is trained with unfair data, it can make unfair decisions. Privacy. AI collects a lot of personal information, sometimes too much. Control. Some people fear that AI might become too powerful or unpredictable. That's why we must develop AI with ethics, rules, and human oversight. AI should help people, not replace them. So, what does the future look like? In the next 10 to 20 years, AI will be even more powerful. We might see smart cities with AI traffic lights, AI doctors that diagnose illness faster, personalized education for every student, creative AI writing books, making movies, or composing music. But we must stay involved. Learn about AI, understand how it works, use it for good. Thanks for watching Echo English. We hope this video helped you understand how AI is shaping our world. Now try watching the video again and repeat the sentences out loud. Shadowing is a great way to improve your English pronunciation and fluency. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more speaking practice with Echo English. And remember, hear it, say it, own it. See you in the next video.